welcome to my first video. I think it's time that I start documenting the process. This is only the beginning of my business, literally just the beginning, and I don't know, I just want to see my progress and see what happens. So let's get to it. This is what I'm working with right now. I definitely have a mess. And I was eating some pineapples and I was watching another small business YouTuber, and yeah, this is pretty much it. I've been letting this one hang out for a little while now. Super nice. And I was trying to do my nails last night. I was showing off these nail bombs. Freaking love these. Oh, that one broke. That's what I've been doing. This is sadly one that died, but it is for me. I love, if this one would have came through, it would have been gorgeous. But yeah, this is it. Letting some flowers dry. I have a mess, okay, but I definitely need to clean these. These are the tools that I'm going to be working with right now as well. These I'm not, but I want to have this stuff clean because it's easy to get into a mess, and then when you want to start working, at least for me, when I want to start working, I need it to be there and be clean. So that's what's happening right now. So let's time lapse this. I wanted to show really quick how I clean up my silicone tools. So I pull it out and I use tape. Last time I used my mouth to cut the tape, and it was an epic fail. I ended up cutting my lip and I was bleeding and it hurt. And I had a scar. The scar just went away, but I still even feel it. But yeah, just not again. It takes it off really easy and quick, and I use it on my desk because I also have silicone mats. So yeah. Flip it inside out, and then you can do the same thing pretty much. So I'm on my way to Target because I am having a really bad allergy reaction and it's freaking me out. I have bumps. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at that. I have bumps all over my body and this has never happened, and I literally am freaking out right now. Okay, I'm home and I got some Benadryl as well as intensive healing lotion, and this is maximum strength. I don't know, with 1% hydro. I don't know how to pronounce that, but anti-itching. I wanted to take a shower. I kind of still want to take a shower because of how itchy I am. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what I ate, and I really need to work. I need to make her a cute little gift because it's her birthday tomorrow, and so yeah, so I'm working on a birthday gift for a beloved sweet little baby girl that, you know, warms up my little heart because she's so cute with her cute little face, and I want to do this for her, but I know that this is gonna make me drunk is what I keep getting told. So let's just do the damn thing. I don't even have water right now. Okay, well, I was gonna clean this, but since I'm not gonna make any today, and I'm just gonna work on the little mini board, let's get to that. This is the mini board that I'm working on. I'm trying to decide what I want to put on here, and I have way more pictures. This isn't even like a dent. Oh, that one got a little messed up, but I'll keep that one. So I just need to decide what I want to put in here. This is my little box where I keep all my little supplies. These are just personal pictures that I keep that I'm gonna do something with eventually. I just have not decided what. But yeah, so now I just need to organize the pictures. And I made her this cute little one because baby girl's turning 1. So now I need to figure out how I want to do this. I haven't decided. That's partly what's like stopped me from doing this, because I'm like, how do I do this? Like, I'll figure it out. Draw my nail chipped at Target, so I have some of this super glue, which I actually come over here, super glued, kind of, you can't really tell, but this nail, my nails look dirty actually. Let me just stop. So yeah, I'm just gonna super glue it real quick and then get back to it. I think I decided those are the 6 pictures that I want, unless I want to add another. No, I really, the whole point of this was to incorporate this, so let's figure this out. All right, it just kicked in. It's 10:11 right now, and so far I feel really dizzy. This is what I have done. This is the design and pattern I decided to go with. So and do need to wait for I'm gonna wait until the morning because I feel so drowsy. And yeah, if I start pouring now, I don't know what's gonna happen with this, and I'm still kind of really terrified to even put this on there because the letters are not yet. I'm tired. Okay, so this is my planner. Tomorrow is baby girl's birthday, so to do coat piece, add 1 wrap gift, and that's pretty much what I need to do in the morning. So I need to coat the piece, I need to add the 1 to it, and then I'll let it hang out until I get out of work, and then I'll have to gift wrap, not this thing, I'll have to gift wrap, I can't talk, I have to gift wrap something else, and yeah, okay, I am out. Wow, my stomach is going crazy too. I am out. This Benadryl is no joke. Okay, good night. Before I call it a night though, I like to come into the restroom, take off my jewelry. This is my little lash bed with my stud earrings holder. I haven't been wearing lashes lately, so there's no lashes on the bed. But yeah. And then I'll just have it here in the restroom next to my Apple Watch, so I know in the morning, okay, what earrings am I wearing? I just need a pair of the backs because I'll decide. It's so much easier. My ring, I feel like it's just in a good place, and I know where to find it. A little extra little guy that didn't make it because of how tiny he is, but there's that. So yeah, good night for real this time.